Classify the following as a lever, a pulley, and an inclined plane. A wedge, a needle, a staircase, a slide, the wheel of a flagpole, nutcrackers, scissors, an opener, an axe, a crane, a knife. Inclined plane. Wedge, needle, staircase, slide, axe, knife. Pulley, wheel of a flagpole, crane. Lever, nutcrackers, scissors, and opener. Fill in the blanks using the proper word and complete the statements. The dash in the center, the dash on one side, and the dash on the other side make a lever of the first order. Fulcrum, load, and effort. The dash in the center, the dash on one side, and the dash on the other side make a lever of the second order. Load, fulcrum, effort. The dash in the center, the dash on one side, and the dash on the other side make a lever of the third order. Effort, load, fulcrum. Which machines will you use to do the following work? Write their types. To remove the lid of a tin. Work, to remove the lid of a tin. Machine, opener. Machine, lever of the second order. To lift bricks to the top of a tall building. Work, to lift bricks to the top of a tall building. Machine, crane. Machine, complex machine. To cut vegetables. Work, to cut vegetables. Machine, knife. Machine, wedge, simple machine. To draw water from a well. Work, to draw water from a well. Machine, pulley. Machine, simple machine. To hold a papad for roasting it. Work, to hold a papad for roasting it. Machine, a pair of tongs. Machine, lever of the third order. Write the answers to the following questions in your own words. What is meant by simple machines? Machines which have only one or two parts and a simple and easy structure are called simple machines. Example, the bottle opener, nail cutter. Simple machines can be handled easily. We use many simple machines in our day-to-day life. Mention the advantages of using a machine. If machine is used, we can finish the work in less time and with less effort. If machines are not used, we require more time and more effort to complete even the simple tasks. What is meant by complex machines? The machines have many parts which carry out many processes for completing a task. For this purpose, the parts are joined to one another. Therefore, these machines are called complex machines. Some of the parts of such complex machines are actually simple machines. The structure of complex machines is complicated. What is a lever? How are the orders of the lever determined? Lever is a simple machine made up of three parts: load, effort, and fulcrum. Order of the lever are determined on the position of the effort, the fulcrum, and the load. Why is this so? Traveler's bags have wheels. The giant wheel is fitted to a rod at its center. This rod is called an axle. When the axle starts rotating with the help of electricity, the wheel fitted to it also starts rotating. This combination of an axle and a wheel is a simple machine. Therefore, traveler's bag have wheels. Machines have to be maintained. Parts of machines rub against one another when they are used. Soiled, dusty parts create more friction. Some parts affected by the weather rust and erode. Machines get damaged or become useless due to such wear and tear. To avoid this, it is very important to take care of machines. Therefore, machines have to be maintained. A bicycle is said to be a complex machine. A bicycle is made from combination of two or three simple machines. The pedals, the handle, the wheels, and the axle are all simple machines. In combination, they work together. Therefore, a bicycle is said to be a complex machine. Name the levers mentioned in the following passage. Identify the fulcrum, load and effort of each and say which type of lever it is. Ravi and Savita sit on a seesaw in a garden. In the meantime, a gardener is trimming trees in the garden. He puts the leaves and other garbage in the wheelbarrow. Later, Ravi gets thirsty and he buys lemon sharbat. The sharbat seller cuts the lemon and squeezes it using a lemon squeezer. He puts small pieces of ice in the glass with the help of the tongs. Levers. Seesaw, lever of the first order. Load, fulcrum, effort. Wheelbarrow, lever of the second order. Fulcrum, load, effort. Lemon squeezers, lever of the second order. Fulcrum, load, effort. Tongs, lever of the third order. Fulcrum, effort, load. Use your brain power. Which task can be done using a lever? Tasks such as using a nut cracker, cutting paper with scissors can be done using a lever. Some machines we use in our day-to-day life are shown in picture. What is the type in each of these? Wheelbarrow, lever of the third order. Pair of tongs, lever of the first order. Seesaw, lever of the first order. Order cutter, lever of the second order. Pair of scissors, lever of the first order. Can you tell? When the pedal of a bicycle is rotated, the wheel starts rotating. How does this happen? Pedals of the bicycle are connected to the wheels through the axle. When the axle starts rotating, the wheels also start rotating.